Hey everyone, Mike here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of easy-to-use and versatile Excel tools that are built to simplify your workflow. Today, I'm excited to show you an incredibly useful tool that functions as a GPS coordinates converter, allowing you to batch convert latitude and longitude into full street addresses directly inside Excel. No switching apps, no copying and pasting, just seamless conversions all in one place. For over 16 years, we've been building innovative Excel solutions that take the complexity out of everyday tasks. More than 7,500 users around the world, from small businesses to large corporations, rely on our tools to save time, minimize errors, and boost efficiency. With over 145-star reviews on Google, the feedback has been incredible. Customers consistently share how our tools have transformed their workflow. If you work in real estate, data analysis, logistics, field operations, or any industry that involves location data, this GPS coordinates converter is going to make your job a whole lot easier. Instead of looking up each location manually or hopping between Excel and mapping websites, you can convert thousands of coordinates to full addresses in just a few clicks, right inside your spreadsheet. Using it is simple. Just paste your latitude values into column A and your longitude values into column B. If your coordinates are combined into one column, you can quickly split them using Excel's built-in text-to-columns feature or a simple formula. Once your data is in place, hit the Run button. And in seconds, the tool will automatically populate the street address, city, state, and zip code for each entry, accurately and efficiently. Best of all, this GPS converter isn't limited to just the United States. It supports international addresses, making it a perfect solution whether you're working locally or across global markets. Whether you're converting a few dozen entries or tens of thousands, this tool scales with your needs and gets the job done in minutes. You can download this GPS coordinates converter using the link in the description below and start saving hours of manual effort today. We've included a full guide to help you get started, and if you ever need assistance, our support team is just a phone call, email, or live chat away. Yes, you'll speak with a real person, not bots, not scripts, just helpful, personalized support. And if you need a solution customized for your specific business case, let us know. We've developed hundreds of custom Excel tools for companies just like yours. Just tell us what you need, and we'll create a tailor-made solution that fits perfectly into your workflow. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest Excel tools and automation tutorials. Until next time, happy converting.